Hello everyone, welcome to OfficeIQ Studio, an AI powered website builder that helps you create beautiful websites in just 10 minutes. So, in this video, let's learn how to create your account with OfficeIQ Studio and have a quick overview of the OfficeIQ Studio's dashboard. Start by opening OfficeIQ Studio in your browser. Here, you will see the option to sign up. You can either sign up using your company email. A magic link will be sent to your inbox. Just click on that link and you will be signed in. Or simply you can sign in using your Gmail account. So I'll go ahead and sign in using my Gmail. Once signed in, this is how your dashboard will look. In the top right corner, you will see the create a new site button. Clicking on it, it will take you straight to the site creation flow. You can also see a start now button. This button also leads you to the same place to begin building your website. Scrolling down, you can see a launch checklist, a guided 6-step process to help bring your website idea to life. Below that, you will see your active plan usage. For example, I have 15 site plan and I have already created 7 websites. Here, you can see profile. Click on my sites. Here you can view all the sites that you have created. The sites that are published, you will see here. And the sites which are still in progress, you can see in the draft section. Next is the workspace section. Here you will see a default workspace which you can customize by changing its color and name. You can upload any document PDF related to your business. So these files help the system fetch relevant content automatically while building your site. To create your own workspace, just click on the plus icon, enter the name, choose a color and add description. It is optional. If you want to add, you can add, and then click on create and your workspace will be created. You can also create a new workspace by clicking on the create workspace button. So now you know how to create your account with OfficeIQ Studio and what's inside the dashboard of OfficeIQ. In the next video, we will learn how to start building your website step by step with OfficeIQ Studio.